Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes, brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware. Got mulch. Now starting the transition over from winter to spring. That means mulch, topsoil, everything you need with regarding to getting your yard in shape. And that beautiful spring garden. 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, 631-756-1125 is the telephone number, and the website is omnitruevalue.com. Also brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, 631-957-5106. The website, liholidaylighting.com. Your complete holiday lighting specialists, and they will meet all your decorating needs, or even if you want to become a holiday decorator, give them a call, 631-957-5106. Okay, folks, we've got a fast-moving cold front. This is sort of like a weather front in the late spring or early summer that moves quickly and it gets in and out fast. You get a line of precipitation, showers, and thunderstorms. In this case, we are seeing this coming into the cold air, and as a result, we're going to get some snow. And these are the Weather Service forecast snow numbers here. Notice right along the immediate coast, there's nothing other than maybe a snowflake or two at the start, but you start to go north and west, particularly as you head up into Pennsylvania. We're seeing some numbers in a range of 3 to 5 inches. Weather Service actually beefed their numbers up from the overnight, and they pretty much are now in line with what I have with regards to snowfall forecast, which I'll bring up for you here, and you can take a look at that. This is the map I put out yesterday, and basically remains unchanged from a trace. You can see the tight gradient here from a trace to an inch to 2 inches to 3 inches, and that area of 3 to 5 that runs across south central PA, west of Harrisburg toward Altoona, northeast to Scranton, and into the Catskills. The 2-inch line kind of runs along just north of Route 84, north and west of there. And from this, we have winter weather advisories that are up, and we will have them up into this afternoon. They're actually going to, as quickly as those winter weather advisories went up, is almost as fast as they will come down because of the fact that this weather system is moving so quickly. This is, for example, what we have in terms of the advisories as of 2 p.m. So already Central PA is done, and then as we move through the afternoon, we're going to see those advisories come down as well. They extend up into the lower and middle Hudson Valley, western Connecticut, now including also parts of southwestern Connecticut in that winter weather advisory. So we'll take a look at what's happening on the satellite. Again, fast-moving front. It comes in, it goes out, and with respect to what we're seeing on the radars, this is from earlier today, and I have the radar view from Dover, Delaware, because you can cover a large area here that runs from Pennsylvania, New Jersey, down into Maryland and Virginia, and you see where the heavier precip is kind of lining up and moving eastward rather quickly. Here's what it looks like as of 9 a.m. Eastern time on the U.S. radar. We'll give this a quick freshening here. And again, this is looks just like a summertime cold front moving on through. It is what it is. There really isn't a whole lot of upside with this because there just isn't there's just not any time for there to be upside. So we'll get through this today, and then you can look for weather conditions to start to improve from west to east late this afternoon, and certainly for tonight. And then we're going to move on to tomorrow, where here's our weather front on the GFS, goes on through, goes out. We have another weak disturbance coming down from the north with some rain and snow showers with this. Doesn't look like it's going to amount to much. Areas that are going to see this will be the northern half of Pennsylvania, northern half of New Jersey, to New York City, to the lower Hudson Valley, southern New England, maybe a few rain or snow showers with that, and that goes out. And now on Wednesday, looks like that'll be our nice warm day this week. I think we have a shot, as long as we get a fair amount of sunshine. We have a west to northwest wind, so temperatures could certainly make it up into the 50s in many locations. Another cold front comes through. This one is weak. There might be a brief shower with this Wednesday night as it goes by, and then we're going to finish off the week chilly, but on the dry side for Thursday and for Friday as high pressure builds on in. As far as the weekend is concerned, we have the next weather system approaching on Saturday with some rain. There's no cold air here. The block has broken down. So the weather pattern here just favors weather systems moving right along with a minimal amount of cold air. So some showers of rain on Saturday, and then it looks like maybe another round of showers later Sunday night into Monday as a slightly stronger cold front comes through, and then then we get a shot of cold air coming out of Canada after that. And as we look into the first days of March, really with no block now or no teleconnection up into Western Canada, these cold highs that come down, they're going to be in quick and they're going to be out quick. So good news from that standpoint. If we're in a pattern where we don't see much in the way of snow over the next 10 days, that gets us into the month of March, and then we start to run the clock as far as the possibilities of any kind of snow events that'll happen at the end of winter or the very beginning of spring. So with that in mind, Weather in 5 brought to you by OmniTrueValue.com. From Got Salt now to Got Mulch. Mulch, topsoil, gravel, play sand, whatever you need. Omni's got it. 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, 631-756-1125. And also Holiday Wholesale Lighting by Giannini at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, 631-957-5106. You can plan ahead for the next holiday season. Your complete holiday lighting specialists, and they will meet your decorating needs. So after 3 days off, guess what? The Joe and Joe Show will be back tonight at 7:30 Eastern Time. So we hope to see you there on my YouTube channel. And it was a nice day, a couple of days of a break away from doing a full slate of weather work. I just needed it. After 5 storms in 3 weeks, it really just kind of sucked the life out of me. So I needed to get some of that energy back. We'll see you tonight at 7:30.